Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with another gorgeous winter wreath for all those people taking down their Christmas decorations and you want something else to go up there. This is going to be a beautiful magnolia with ivory berry wreath. Really pretty. It's going to have all kinds of stems. This one I'm holding in my hand is like a cedar eucalyptus piece. I'm doing it on the 18-inch grapevine. They are back in stock and you can grab one on the website. Everything I'm going to show you is going to be available in the Magnolia Ivory Wreath Kit on shopdeeslouisville.com, and it's not going to include the grapevine. So a lot of you probably have these at home, so you can grab all the stuff to create the wreath, or if you need one of these, make sure to grab one when you're on the website. Today, I'm going to start out, I'm going to do the design kind of over here on the right for something a little bit different. I know a lot of you buy these though, and you've made wreaths a lot of times, so you might do them a little bit differently. You can always kind of go from the top down if you want, but today I'm going to kind of go from this side down around here. And this one will be a little bit fuller than some of the other ones we've done. So if you're looking for a fuller look, this one might be the one for you. So I'm going to start out just fluffing this piece here. Really pretty, all kinds of textures on there. I'm going to cut the stem off and I'm going to push this into the wreath up here. I'm kind of going towards the top and over the top. So dunk it in a little hot glue. Push it into the wreath and then kind of fluff it out. So pretty. All right, next up, I'm going to take another one of those, do the exact same thing. Fluff that stem out. And this one I'm going to leave a nice gap because I have berries and I have a magnolia piece. So I'm going to kind of go over here more towards the center of the bottom of the wreath, dunk it in a little hot glue and push that in. So right now I know it looks a little strange because they're so far apart, but that's so we fill in this wreath a little bit more and we have other things like the ribbon and everything to go in this gap. All right, so next up, I'm gonna do this, let's see here. We're gonna add in ivory berries that we're gonna kind of go towards the middle, and then we're gonna do this beautiful magnolia stem. So we're gonna go ahead and add the berries, and then we're gonna put on our bow. So I'm not gonna cut these apart. I'm gonna leave them all together. I am gonna trim the stem a little bit, and I'm gonna push these below this first one into the wreath, and I'm gonna kind of go into the center. So then I can have one going down and two kind of going towards the top there. So push that into your wreath after you put a little hot glue on the end. Pull one down, pull one kind of out to the side. Definitely pull like that eucalyptus and some of that cedar back on top. And those are just a really pretty nice berry. The reason I like those is because you get so many different styles on that one stem. You kind of have cluster ones here and then crabapple ones over here. Okay, so that's on there. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my magnolia. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So we're gonna face, after we fluff out the magnolia, when you get this guy in, he's gonna come in pretty flat. All these are wired though, so you can fluff it right out. It's such a pretty piece. We love this one all year long. It's got a little bit brighter green leaves on it. Fluff all that out, fluff the twigs. Go on and chop the stem a little bit. You're gonna push this one in with those leaves kind of up towards the center here into the middle, right about there. We're gonna move everything around too. So first off, just put in a little glue. Go more towards this second cedar stem towards the left. You're just gonna push it into your wreath. Got a really dense spot on this wreath. Let's see here. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna move these leaves around. Bring the eucalyptus back on the top. Bring these down. So pretty. Okay, so we've got our magnolia in there. Now we're ready for some ribbon. I have to get this backwards. Let's fix that. Okay, so I've chosen two ribbons today. I've got this really nice, it's more of like an olivey green polka dot. And the reason I chose that is because it picks up on this little bit of the brighter green in the magnolia leaves, but still ties in the darker cedar. And then I chose a really pretty natural ivory kind of burlap colored stripe. So we'll start with that one. We're gonna make a couple loops. Both the ribbons are 2.5 inches wide today, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger of a bow, which will be nice just to make the wreath more full. We're gonna make the 2 loops. Give ourselves a tail there. And take the green right on top of that one. Make a couple more loops. I'm gonna hold it up, make sure, yeah, that'll be good. Make sure I didn't make it too big or too small. Tie that off with some wire. We're gonna go right here behind the magnolia, below the berry where there's still a big gap. I'm just pulling those wires to the back that I used to tie the bow in a knot and just twist it right on. And now you're ready to move everything around. So I always like to bring my flower back to the center. And those longer tails. Maybe bring this one over. There we go. Let's see. So pretty. Bring this berry. I find I spend the most time fiddling with my bow. Once I put it on at my house, every time I walk by, I adjust it. Maybe you have a storm door and it kind of flattens your bow. It's all wired so you can fluff it back up. But I'm constantly just messing with it. So once you get it on there, you might want to step back. You might want to move it. You can always untwist it off and move it if you want. I'm going to go on and cut my tails. And this is just going to give you a really pretty, nice winter look. It's got ivories, it's got greens, everything you'd want for the winter season. A little bit different, and it's going to be a kit up on shopdeeslouisville.com. These have been selling out really quickly, so do not wait. Go on there and grab one today for yourself for this winter.